Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heel replacement is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of shoe care, and knowing how to do it properly can significantly extend the life of your favorite footwear and save you money in the long run. This video will guide you through the essential steps and considerations for successfully replacing worn-out heels, ensuring your shoes remain comfortable and stylish for longer. Number 5. GoGoHeel Quick Tips. Tired of worn-down heels? These innovative caps are the perfect solution. They're easy to apply and instantly revitalize your favorite shoes. They're the original high heel protectors and repair caps. Each pair provides long-lasting protection and a quick fix for damaged heels. Simply clean the heel and firmly press the cap onto the damaged area. It's that easy to restore your heels to their former glory. They extend the life of your shoes, saving you money and reducing waste. Plus, they're available in a variety of sizes to fit most heels. These durable caps provide a stylish and effective solution to protect and repair your high heels. Get yours today and keep your shoes looking their best. You can find them online or at select retailers. Click the link in the description to learn more and order yours now. What we like? These are the original high heel protectors, designed for quick and easy application. If you need a simple, effective solution for extending the life of your heels, this is it. They're durable and will last, making them a smart investment for your favorite shoes. What people say. The tips work great to temporarily extend the life of your heels. The shoes are like new, and so much improved. Easy and inexpensive way to extend the life of my heels. Number 4. YEHAM Women's High Heel Repair Kit. Say goodbye to worn-out heels. This kit gives your favorite shoes a new lease on life. It includes 5 different sizes of high heel dowels, ensuring a perfect fit for various heel types. You'll find the right replacement for your shoes. Made from high-quality TPU and strong iron, these replacement tips are built to last. They're durable and wear-resistant for long-lasting use. These tips protect your heels, providing a comfortable and safe walking experience. They also reduce noise and offer anti-slip protection. The kit comes with handy pliers to easily remove and replace your worn-out heel tips. Repairing your shoes has never been easier. With 30 pairs of replacement tips and the pliers, this kit has everything you need for multiple repairs. Keep your high heels looking their best. What we like? This kit offers a wide variety of sizes to fit many different heels. If you have a lot of heels or need to repair several pairs, this is the most economical option. The included pliers make replacement a breeze. What people say. The most important step is to grasp the existing heel tip with the tool, then slowly twist, imagine using a wrench, from side to side. Do this gently. The whole point of this step is to loosen the pin that's inside the heel itself. This tool was perfect with the right grip for pulling the existing nail head of the broken heel tip. The inclusion of a 6-inch heel tip plier in the set is a fantastic addition. The plier makes it incredibly easy to remove worn-out tips and install new ones without causing any damage to the shoe or heel. Number 3. Heel Tips Repair Kit. This kit will give your heels a new lease of life. It's easy to use and will have your shoes looking and feeling great again. They're made from durable, high-quality CPU material and strong metal pins. This ensures they're long-lasting and resistant to wear and tear. This kit comes with 5 different sizes, 8 by 8 mm, 9 by 9 mm, 10 by 10 mm, 11 by 11 mm, and 12 by 12 mm, to fit a variety of heel types. You'll find the perfect fit for your shoes. You get 20 pairs of tips in total, 10 pairs of 2.5 mm pins and 10 pairs of 3.0 mm pins. That's enough for multiple repairs. The anti-slip diamond surface design provides stability and safety while walking. They're also designed to be comfortable and quiet. Replacing your worn-out heel tips is simple. Just use pliers to remove the old ones and snap the new ones in. It's that easy. What we like? These heel tips are made from high-quality materials for superior durability and wear resistance. If you are looking for long-lasting protection and enhanced grip, this is the perfect choice. The unique U-shaped design provides superior stability and comfort. What people say. The metal dowel pins are not centered in the black heel tip. The dowels are positioned so that the pin is closer to what would be the back of the heel. All of the shoes I replaced the tips on turned out beautifully. They look beautiful and professional because the tip fits the bottom of the heel perfectly. Number 2. TRIZILLA 24 pairs heel tips. Tired of worn-out heels ruining your favorite shoes? This kit has everything you need for a quick and easy fix. It comes with 24 pairs of high-quality replacement tips in a variety of sizes. You'll be prepared for any heel repair. With 6 different sizes included, it's easy to find the perfect fit for your shoes. No more struggling with ill-fitting tips. The U-shaped design makes these tips easy to apply and provides a secure fit. They're designed to last. The kit also includes handy pliers to easily remove old, damaged tips. Repairing your heels has never been easier. Choose from classic black or beige to match any shoe color. They're subtle enough to blend in seamlessly. What we like? This kit comes with a variety of sizes and colors to match your shoes. If you want to replace your heel tips with a stylish and functional option, this is a great choice. The included pliers make installation easy and efficient. What people say. It was easy to use and handle. Replaced the taps on a pair minutes after it was just delivered. Love the Vario size taps. The tool for removal works great and is easy to use. The tips have different size stems, so you have to match up with the current size or it can slip out. Number 1. High Heel Repair Kit. Tired of wobbly heels? This kit has everything you need to keep your favorite shoes looking and feeling their best. It's easy to use and will save you money on repairs. With 36 caps in 6 different sizes, you'll find the perfect fit for all your heels. They're non-skidding, so you'll stay steady on your feet. Choose from black, clear, or apricot to match any shoe. They're designed to seamlessly blend in with your heels. Replacing your worn-out tips is a breeze. The kit makes the process simple and quick. These handy pliers make removing old tips a snap. No more struggling with stubborn heels. With this kit, you can extend the life of your favorite high heels. It's a must-have for any woman who loves her shoes. What we like? With 36 pairs of heel caps in various colors, this kit offers the ultimate value and variety. If you have many high heels or frequently replace your tips, this is the most cost-effective and convenient option. The non-skidding design provides extra safety and peace of mind. What people say. There are 2 different sizes of the heel tip pins. Some people may not notice, but not all heel tip pin holes are the same size. It is so easy to use and I like that it comes in different sizes and color. Worked a treat, have plenty more heel caps for when they pop off my other shoes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.